A person who wants to get in shape goes to a local gym that advertises 40 training sessions for $1,717. Find the cost of 123 training sessions, and we're asked to round to the nearest cent. So we'll first solve this problem using a proportion, and then we'll talk about how to solve this problem using unit rates. To set up our proportion, we'll compare the number of training sessions to the total cost. So because 40 training sessions cost $1,717, we can say 40 training sessions is to $1,717 as 123 training sessions is to the unknown cost, which we'll call C. Notice how for both rates we're comparing the number of training sessions to the total cost. And now we can cross multiply and solve for C. 40 times C must equal 1,717 times 123. So again, 40C must equal 1,717 times 123. So we have 40C equals 1,717 times 123, which equals 211,191. So to solve for C, we divide both sides by 40. So this simplifies to 1C or C, and now we'll find this quotient and round to the nearest cent. So 211,191 divided by 40. To the nearest cent, this would be $5,279.78. So this is the total cost for 123 training sessions. But let's also find the answer a different way. Since we know 40 training sessions cost $1,717, we could find the cost for one training session, then multiply by 123. To do this, we would take the total cost of $1,717 and divide by the number of training sessions, which is 40. Press enter. So this is the unit cost, or the cost per training session. And now to find the cost for 123 training sessions, we can just multiply by 123. And notice how we get the same total cost. However, if we do take this approach, we don't want to round this value here, multiply by 123 and then round again, because that would give us more of an error. But I did want to show how we can solve this problem more than one way. I hope you found this helpful.